In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money with just watching to a video. It is free and worldwide, so you can use it everywhere in the world, except Antarctica. It is a website, so you can use it either in your phone or in your PC or laptop. The website name is zoombucks.com. You can make money by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. But for now, we will focus on watching TV. So you only just need a Google account to sign up. Enter your email address, then put your password, then confirm it and click sign up. Or just you can sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. After that, you'll find this page. Enter your gender, birthday, first name, last name, address line 1, 2, city, state, zip code and your country. After that, you'll find this page, and this is the dashboard of the website. You can make money with just surveys, watching, offers, and there is also rewards. And you can make money by inviting friends. You can earn 10% by just referring to a friend. So referring your link may double your income. Before you start earning, you must change some settings. Click on your profile button, then change your payment method. The only available payment method is PayPal, so you must have PayPal account to continue. Just click on connect with PayPal, then it will automatically connect to PayPal. After that, click on watch and you will find this page. Then click one of them and click start. And after that, watch all the videos. Make sure you watch the videos up to 30 seconds or otherwise they won't pay you. Bonus tip, you can watch the videos in different tabs, so you can double or triple your payments. This is a very effective way of gaining in this website. And the other thing is surveys. You can earn $0.6, $0.75 and up to $1 in this tab. So there is effective way of making money in this website. And when you go to offer, you can earn by getting points by downloading games, downloading app, etc. So it is another way of income in this website. So it is very effective from other websites. It is also free and worldwide. When you come to invite friends, you find a link. Copy it and send it to your friends. When they join by your link or sign up by your link, you can get 10% of the action. So it is another way of gaining. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And comment your country below, so I make a video that is perfect to your country. A money making website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Comment your country below. Thanks.